What's up everybody, Mark at Provost. Today we had a 2026 Raptor R on the dyno, made some good numbers for stock. So on the tuning programs, we have HP tuners for all the stock ECUs and for GM performance ECUs. We use Holley software for their standalone units like Dominator, Terminators, and Snipers. We're getting into Hall Tech. We also tune transmission controllers, so CompuShift, US Shift. Those are really good standalone transmission controllers that we use in a lot of swaps and we see out on the street all the time. Figure out what kind of vehicle you have, you know, what kind of power you're making, what power you expect, and what you really want to get out of the dyno. If you need extra tuning, if you just want to see where your horsepower is at. It's also really handy for carbureted cars because we have our own wideband that goes in the back. So adjusting jetting and ignition timing is the same for EFI as it is for carburetors, and this just makes it a lot easier. I think the best thing you can expect is, you know, not only getting a horsepower number and making sure your car is running efficiently. But if there's anything you want to do to upgrade that, if you want further tuning, I know if there's other safety items on it that you want to fix, but it's also nice to, you know, be able to open it up without having to be on the street and do anything dangerous.